wondered how you can watch videos online nearly instantaneously? It's fiber optics. No, not that kind of fiber optics, it's fiber optic cables, such as this one right here. Fiber optics is the use of thin, flexible fibers of glass or other transparent solids to transmit light signals. These light signals carry data.
So how does it work? Firstly, it sends light from the transmitter here to the receiver here. Now let's try it with a flashlight. On, you can see the lights coming out of the receiver there. And off, there's no more light coming through the receiver. Let's do that one more time. On, the light's coming out the receiver there.
Why does this work? Well, let's take a look at what makes up a fiber optic cable. This is an example of what a fiber optic cable looks like inside, blown up a little bit for us to see. The outermost layer is the coating. Its job is to protect the rest of the wire. Sometimes there are multiple layers of coating depending on the amount of protection needed. The next layer is the cladding. It's usually the diameter of a human hair. Made up of glass, its sole purpose is to keep the light signal inside the core, which is the final layer. The core is also made up of glass. Its job is to transport light packets as quickly as possible to the receiver. This cable is attached to a transmitter and receiver. The transmitter encodes light particles with data and sends it through the cable. The light particles travel through the core, bouncing off the cladding due to its low refractive index in comparison to the core's high refractive index. Because this index is less than 42 degrees, the light bounces back, causing a phenomenon called total internal reflection, which makes it possible for the light to travel all the way to the receiver, unlike a flashlight that travels in only a straight line through the air. Finally, the light particles reach the receiver, and through a photodetector it's decoded. From there, by a wired or Wi-Fi connection, the data is given to your device, almost instantaneously. Now you may be wondering, how does this apply to the real world? Well, it applies in the financial sector through transactions in the stock market. It helps in the medical field through remote procedures that can save someone's life. In education through sharing research among peers and real-time experimentation. It's used in the military sector for military applications, and in security for real-time monitoring of your door, so you can check there at any time of the day. And lastly, entertainment. Now, next time that you're watching cat videos, remember, fiber has many other important uses as well.